Here is a case of right-sided large stone burden in scoliosis short patient, 62 years old male patient with short stature and scoliosis. Two stones were there, one is 12 mm, another is 18 mm, together constituting approximately 3 centimeters. Hounsfield units were unfortunately not calculated, but X-ray KUB they are not visualized. One was in the inferior calycial stone, one was in the upper calycial stone. It is post-stented because patient presented with pyelonephritis, fever. We were hesitating to do whether PCNL or RIRS. This is the inferior calycial stone. The inferior calycial stone, this is the upper calycial stone, this is the inferior calycial stone. Wide infundibulum was there, and in the RGP you can see the movements of the scope which is going from inferior calyx to there. So calycial anatomy is so complex. So we thought RIRS is better for this patient, and the look wise the stone appeared to be uric acid stone. Initially we have done with the holmium laser 12 watts. In this case our aim was to finish the case as early as possible. So initially we tried to maintain powder, but it was taking time. Because it is a large stone surface area, complete powdering may take long time. So after some time we have given thought for thulium fiber laser, because it is 12 French outflow channel and water was flowing freely. We thought if the energy levels of the holmium is increased, it will make the pieces, but this was not becoming piece and only becoming powder. Routinely such powder is very good and results are good. However, in this case we tried to make pieces fast with settings of 2 joules and 15 Hz with thulium fiber laser. Fortunately, that became so much fragmented in short time, total surgery could be reduced to 32 minutes lasing time. In this, initial settings of 2 joules and 15 Hz immediately breaks the fragments. Once the fragments are made less than 1 centimeter or less than 8 mm, 9 mm, we change it to 0.20 joules and 275 Hz, which is for the popcorn. This popcorn is very fast in thulium fiber laser. In no time, even though there is no need to focus each fragment, all the two stones and the fragments were there in the upper calyx. Then when it is made significant powder, we inserted a very long sheath of 45 centimeter. Rarely we don't insert. We kept this large sheath 12 by 14 in the pelvis to wash the powder. After complete powdering, immediately withdrawing the flexible scope in and out, this is the powder that was produced by whirlpool effect. This powder is of very small size, so-called dust which is floating, that is coming out. At the end of nearly 35-40 minutes, complete disappearance of the stone, including the major part of the powder, like this on a cotton, it is appearing, almost look like sand. So sometimes even if the Hounsfield units are low, large stone burden can be tackled with especially thulium fiber laser, settings of fragmentation and popcorn method. The time taken will be very less, and in future even for hard stones this may be applicable provided the outflow is good and ureteric caliber is good. Thank you.